understanding market structure. You've been marking your structures but wrongly. Here's a better way. Now the market moves in an uptrend or a downtrend and consolidates a little of the time. After that, it breaks from that consolidation. Now it follows a pattern. What's the pattern? Now for an uptrend, it follows this pattern. It goes up, pulls back, goes up, pulls back. So this is for an uptrend. And why this is for a downtrend? Yeah, perfect. So this for a downtrend. And so now for an uptrend, that's the bullish market, we have this as the higher low, this as the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And why this is the lower high, that's for a downtrend, and lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it has two rules and you need to apply these two rules. Now what are the rules? So for an uptrend, one is that it must break previous structure. That's break of structure. So the higher high must be broken, and then the second rule is that the higher low must be respected for a bullish market. Now that's the same thing for the bearish market. The lower low must be broken. Not really good with drawing, so let me try and get that. Okay, so the lower low must be broken, and then the higher low, the lower high must be respected, must be protected, respected, any of them. So now this is the structure and this is the pattern for an uptrend and a downtrend. So what do we expect? Now this is what we expect. We expect price to respect this level and then move to the upside, break previous structure, pulls back like that, and continue in this direction. Now same thing for a bearish market, breaks previous structure, pulls back, continue like that for a bullish market and for a bearish market. Now another thing you need to take note of is that sometimes this structure is not going to be as perfect as what you've seen here. Sometimes you get to see structures like this. You get a 50% pullback, sometimes 50% pullback, sometimes 30% pullback, sometimes even 80%, like it wants to take out the low, but then it will go up. And then sometimes you also get force change of character, and then price still goes the same direction, or it continues the same direction. So this is like a 50% pullback. I told you guys I'm not really good with drawings. Okay, this is 30%, and then this is like 80%, this is like 100% pullback. So sometimes it's like that, but you need to understand that it has two rules and you need to apply those two rules. So now let's look at some examples before we summarize everything. So now these are examples. So okay, now look at this structure. We have this. Well, let's start from the very beginning of the structure. Now this is the very beginning. We have this high, this is the structure, and then the break of structure with a body. This is an internal bullish uptrend. That's a bullish market, so it's internal. This is the main structure from here to here, and then this was inside, so it's an internal structure. We have this pullback and then a break of structure. We have this, you see this, and then it goes up like that, and then this pullback and then goes up. So we have this also for a downtrend. Also have